Hello everyone, in this video here I'm going to be showing you a ROM I installed on my T-Mobile Galaxy S2. Now, because this is a Samsung phone, Samsung is known to, I'll just say butcher Android, the operating system Android. They like to use this interface called the TouchWiz interface. I personally don't like it, mainly because I like to have a stock experience. The phone itself is a really good phone. 8 megapixel camera. I think the front facing camera on this thing is a 1.3 megapixel camera. So, and it's a pretty powerful phone. But because the stock version uses Samsung's TouchWiz interface, I wanted a more stock Google experience. Now, I've used stock experiences from Google before. This is a Nexus 7. This is completely stock from Google. You're going to notice, look how smooth this is. But, what about this? Well, here we go. This is called LIQUIDSMOOTH. There's a reason why they call this LIQUIDSMOOTH. Look how smooth this is. It's extremely smooth. This is actually run the same versions on the Nexus 7, so it's 4.1.2. And what's great about this is that not only is the latest version Jelly Bean, but from the time I've used this, I have not seen any issues with this ROM. None. Now, what do I mean by that? No graphical issues, no performance hiccups, no lockups, no nothing. Even the light down here works every single time you touch the screen. So because this is more of a stock experience, but you do get some tweaks. So I can have like toggle switches if I want. I can add widgets to the lock screen. Basically, if you use the AOKPs or the CyanogenMod ROMs in the past, you're going to have similar setups, except it's under LIQUIDSMOOTH. So you got Liquid Launcher, you can change the grid size, stuff like that. Liquid Splasher, you can modify all the little performance stuff like that, so you can change the clock speed. You can do startup tweaks, stuff like that. And you can change themes on here if you want, but I'm going to keep it stock. Another thing is the camera works fine. Just to show you, the camera does work. Now, what do I mean by when the camera works? This is the video part. You're going to notice, hopefully the camera's picking this up, but look how sharp this is. It's extremely sharp. This is something you don't see very often in a ROM for this phone, because this particular Galaxy S2 for T-Mobile, it's a slightly different version than all the other phones out there of the Galaxy S2, just because for compatibility reason for this phone to work with T-Mobile. So when they have the code for this phone, it's slightly different. But there's finally a ROM out there that's perfect.